Hi guys, welcome back. So I've already recorded this video once. Seems to be the trend these days. And then when I transferred it over to the PC, the video file was corrupt. So I think I've got some SD card issues going on. But what I actually recorded was the promised video of removing everything from the GMAC helmet, which I have now done. So you can see the residual mount and where the microphone lead was connected, or restrained. So I spent a couple of minutes trying to get the original GoPro mount off of the GMAC, just to keep it in the box rather than being on the helmet. Doesn't look like that's going to be possible without some severe damage to the, well, obviously enough damage to 3M tape anyway, but yeah. So if anybody's ever worried about attaching their action camera, not necessarily a GoPro, to a helmet with 3M tape, I really wouldn't worry about it. I've been hanging off this thing trying to get it off. I'm going to need something a bit more persuasive. But anyway, so the microphone and, oh yeah, generally just the microphone has been removed. I've also swapped the visor on the RUROC over to my tinted visor. Just see what that looks like. Very pleased with this helmet. It's been, ever since the video I did a few weeks ago, I haven't actually looked at this helmet, so it's kind of a nice surprise in reopening the box. But the RUROC GoPro mount that comes in the box is now attached. The only thing I would say, which you do find on the official GoPro mounts, is the nut seems retained, so I think I'm going to have to glue the one in that comes with the RUROC mount, because it does keep dropping out. So that's something to note. When you open the packet, it might still be in there if you order one of these. I haven't fitted my pin lock yet, so I'm not sure which visor I'm going to put that into. I don't want to mess about putting it in and out. I'm going to swapping it over, so I think I'm going to order a second one probably, but we'll see. But yeah, as you can see, the chin mount for the GoPro fits perfectly on the helmet. Looks quite neat, and when the camera's on there, it's not impacting my field of view. It's absolutely fine. I've got one little cable restraint there, which is quite neat. That's on 3M tape, and a small cable tie. And for this mount, because it protrudes a little bit further forward, I can now run this cable over, and this fits nicely into the side of the mic adapter. So that runs inside the helmet, and here, if we just move the chin curtain slightly out of the way, you can see just there is my microphone with my furry cat thing, and in there is another 3M restraint. I don't know what they're called, cable clip type things, sticky backed cable routing things. One of those in there to stop the microphone bounce about. That was something that was happening in the GMAC, but I tried it on. It's not in any way interfering or in the field of view or uncomfortable, so yeah, successful I think. The thing I do need to do is potentially put the vent plugs in, but I want to do a ride and record and see how that looks first. Sounds. So yeah, we will do a part 3 to this on the bike, but hopefully all will be good. So that's it really. Moved over from the GMAC to the RUROC, and yeah, next time you see it, it'll be out on the road, I guess. To finish up this very quick video, just a quick reminder, I fly out to Sweden on Friday for my day job. My day job isn't actually in Sweden, just to note for people who haven't been here before. My day job, I work as an engineer for a British company, so facing the challenges of working abroad and such things in the new situation, as to word it. But yeah, so I'll fly out on Friday. I'm gone for just over 2 weeks, I think. So still trying to work out. I'm intending to put some content together to keep the uploads going and schedule those to just tide us over. Some personal things have happened over Christmas, which I'm not going to go into here, but long and short means that those things haven't occurred. So I'm going to try and put some content together this week and schedule at least 2 videos. So we'll probably get down to 1 video a week, which is kind of what we've done here. There was a bit of a gap over Christmas, and I may record some stuff while I'm out there, just something a bit different for the channel. But yeah, so hopefully get this trip out of the way, back at full force, heading into February. We can carry on with the Scrambler. By then the parts should have come for the C15 engine as well, so we can crack on with that, and generally just keep messing around. I've got some cool videos coming on the MGB V8 as well. Just start putting some bit of montage type stuff together for that, because it's so sporadic with the car being 30 miles away. So I'm going to do that as kind of a slightly bigger piece together kind of videos over several trips up there to work on the car. But it's really coming along. We've done the first fire, and yeah, we're almost ready to put it back on its wheels and drive it for the first time. So there'll definitely be a first drive video, and many other things. But thank you very much for your support, guys. Really appreciate it. I know I've been quiet for the past 2 weeks or so. Obviously most people have Christmas and stuff, and I wasn't organised enough to get ahead of the curve. So yeah, kind of back to doing it properly now, obviously with the Sweden interruption. But yeah, thank you for your support. I want to thank and welcome the new subscribers, up to 67 now I think it is, which I know in the grand scheme of YouTube probably doesn't seem all that big, but it means a lot to me. I'm glad you're enjoying the content that I make. It gives you enough of an inclination to hit that button. If you haven't done that and you're just watching for the first time, welcome. My name's Joe. I create motorcycle related content on YouTube of just my general antics, with some extra kind of general automotive and maybe a few music bits just thrown in there for good measure, but predominantly motorcycle related stuff. Yeah, well, thank you for joining us, and guess see you in the next one. Take it easy.